This is the AI Newsflash for May 17th, 1 a.m. UTC. First up, India missed the AI wave, and its run as emerging market darling may be over, Bloomberg reports. India's $300 billion IT services industry faces direct hit from AI agent replacement. Tata Consultancy Services, Infosys, Wipro, HCL Tech, and Tech Mahindra all crashed, wiping hundreds of billions in combined market cap. Nifty IT index plunged 19% year-to-date, the largest monthly drop in 23 years. The world's largest tech workforce of 580,000 employees faces AI-native disruption. Khosla's 5-year extinction warning looks more real, despite the economist's analysis that AI hasn't broken India yet. Squeezed between China's 15th 5-year AI plan and U.S. hyperscalers' $725 billion 2026 capex boom, India looks left behind. MSCI Emerging Markets Index reweighted, with Taiwan over 21% overtaking China at 20.93%. Global EM investing splits into AI winners versus laggards, forcing institutional allocations to be reshuffled. Next, AI tilts job market leverage toward older workers, while IBM tripling entry-level hiring stands as an outlier, Fortune report. Oliver Wyman Global CEO Survey shows over 40% of CEOs plan to cut junior roles in next 1 to 2 years, shifting toward mid and senior positions. Only 17% plan to expand junior roles, a dramatic reversal from a year prior. Harvard University study confirms firms adopting generative AI significantly reduce junior-level positions while keeping senior employment stable. Stanford research shows young workers 16% more likely to lose jobs in AI-exposed fields. Experience, wisdom, and critical thinking become premium. AI agents replace routine tasks while judgment work stays human. In stark contrast, IBM announced plans to triple U.S. entry-level hiring in 2026, with full rewrite of job descriptions for the AI era, drawing major industry attention. AI-related layoffs total over 156,000, white-collar AI replacement accelerating, Gen Z 60% shifting to skilled trades, entry-level hiring at 40-year worst, labor economists warn of pipeline collapse. 2026 midterm elections' biggest economic issue, structural turning point. The third, Marvell Technology receives wave of Wall Street price target upgrades ahead of Q1 earnings. AI data center demand surge backing Q1 FY 2127 earnings scheduled May 27th. Bank of America raised target from $125 to $200, maintaining buy, with analyst Arya calling NVIDIA's $2 billion strategic investment a powerful endorsement. RBC Capital lifted from 170 to 200, B. Riley 156 to 205, Goldman Sachs 100 to 125 in successive upgrades. Wall Street consensus shows 22 buy and 4 hold rated strong buy. Stock up 120% year to date. AMD increased stake by approximately $6.5 million as of March, 800G and 1.6T optical transceivers, custom silicon accelerator chips, AI data center expansion drive key growth. Bank of America raised 2027 AI data center TAM forecast from $1.4 trillion to $1.7 trillion, backing AI semiconductor supercycle's second phase sustainability. Coherent, Lumentum, Corning, Cisco Systems, Credo Technology optical interconnect stocks rallied alongside Silicon Photonics shift from copper wire physical limits is irreversible. Hyperscaler 4 companies $725 billion 2026 capex boom drives direct benefit, institutional allocation in full swing, decisive moment. Fourth, ExlService Investor Day targets 10 to 12% revenue growth for 2026. Agentic AI implementation moves to full monetization phase. CEO Rohit Kapoor emphasized enterprise AI adoption requires more than plug and play, needing organized data, governance, context, and workflow redesign. Data and AI revenue grew 21% over past 5 years, now representing 60% of Q1 2026 company-wide revenue. Across 400-plus clients, AI deployment success rate reached 94%, far above industry average. Recurring revenue over 75% tied to 1-year-plus contracts. Net revenue retention stable above 110%. 3 proprietary agentic platforms, ExlData.ai, ExlDecision.ai, Exlerate.ai drive full AI transformation of operations and analytics services. 2025 free cash flow approximately $300 million. Q1 2026 leverage below 1x. Financial foundation strong enough to balance M&A and buybacks. Alongside Accenture, Cognizant, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, IBM, ExlService stands at the decisive moment of global IT services going AI native. Regulated Industries Agentic AI Implementation Partner status confirmed. AI implementation ROI proof draws focused institutional attention. 5th, 2026 AI stock selection moves to full swing. BigBear.ai and C3.ai flagged as cautions. Broadcom as buy Motley Fool detailed analysis. BigBear.ai revenue dropped from $146 million in 2021 to $128 million in 2025. Net loss widened from $124 million to $294 million. Seriously, market cap $2.1 billion, current stock trades at 15x sales. Triple headwinds of top customer Virgin Orbit bankruptcy, AI competition intensification, macro pressures, with analysts forecasting only 12% CAGR revenue growth to $159 million by 2027. C3.ai grew from $183 million in 2022 to $389 million in 2025 fiscal year, but net loss expanded from $56 million to $289 million, monetization struggling, market cap $1.3 billion at 5x sales. Revenue forecast declining to $251 million by 2028, with serious warnings of losing market share to competitors. In contrast, Broadcom rated favorably. AI semiconductor sales surged 65% to $20 billion in 2025, representing 31% of company revenue. Alongside NVIDIA, AMD, Broadcom, TSMC, Marvell, Micron, SK Hynix, AI semiconductor supercycle's real winners separate clearly from demandless expectation-driven AI wrappers. Institutional stock selection becomes the most important 2026 investment theme. AI bubble concerns push fundamentals-based selection into full phase. Decisive signal. That's all for this AI news flash.